I have here beef 80/20. Then a little bit of the soy sauce. Then I have here relish, sweet pickle relish, 2 teaspoons. Then salt and pepper. Salt and pepper. Not surprising to everyone who have tried this. Let's put raisins. Okay. This is our morcon. There you go. 1 egg. Then next. The original way of making this is with hard-boiled egg and sausage inside. But I don't want to put something here that has the preservative. Let me mix this well with my hand. So this is it. Then I have to put it here in a parchment paper. It's an aluminum foil lined with parchment paper. And then you have to do it like this. Okay, and then I have here hard-boiled egg. 1, 2, 3. Then tuck it in. Hide it. So when you slice later, you'll have a piece of the hard-boiled egg. And then I have to put this in the oven, bake 350 degrees for 45 minutes. Okay, that's why you have it like this. Some they use steamer. They steam this. Then after steaming, they put it in the oven. But mine, I will do it this way. Okay. Here's our beef morcon. Try it. You'll love it. You'll get a slice of hard-boiled egg on every slice of beef. See you next time. Bye.